Hi everybody, I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie, and we are coming at you with, we're Sisters in Stitches, by the way, in case you don't know who we are. Cindy's doing a new box, or a new type of box, a way of ordering cleaning supplies for her house that is, they're sustainable cleaning items, organic, made from, clean ingredients.
You guys have probably seen it on YouTube already. I've been watching, it's Grove Collaborative. And I have been watching it on YouTube, and I just never pulled the trigger, and then I was watching it on, I think, Georgia Sunshine, and when I checked it out on the website, they had like, you get 5 free products, like, I don't know what they all were, but I'd have to get my sheet. So you got 5 free cleaning products, which I'll show you. You got this really cute little ceramic tray free, and then like a little cute little bucket. I probably do it this way, but it's cute. I mean, so I got that, and then I also got it comes in this kind of cute thing, and it's just a 100% recyclable.
Well, you need that because some of their products, like their floor cleaner, it says to mix this in a 16-ounce bottle, so it goes well with.
Right, and it's glass,
so
it's
it
not
doesn't
plastic.
absorb the product.
So that's really cute. So, and I did this because I know that a lot of stores sell Mrs. Meyer's or Method or whatever, but what's nice is that they have so many scents. And I bought this dish soap that was basil. And when I'm doing my dishes, the things that don't go in the dishwasher, it smells like a man is standing right next to me. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, anyway, so this was the little glass bottle that I got for free as well, so that I can put anything in there. And it looks like, you want to show that?
They call this their floor cleaner. It's orange and rosemary, and it's concentrated, and they said you squirt this into the 16-ounce bottle of water and then spritz it on your floor while you're mopping.
Yeah, so, and all of this is like, it's all like organic stuff, and so I thought I'd give it a try, and I'm really happy. So here is, and so I got a glass cleaner, and it is lemon scented, and I just wanted to open it so that, see, it's just like a nice clean scent, isn't it? It's so much better than like Windex, and plus it's better for the environment. So I got the glass cleaner. I think I got the glass cleaner, the hand lotion, the hand soap.
Yeah, the lotion she got in shea butter and almond oil. So this is gonna smell like cherries. Yeah,
Let's see.
Oh, the shea keeps it down a little bit. It smells good.
It does smell good. It's hand lotion.
Yeah.
And again, all generic. So the glass cleaner and the hand lotion. And I will put it down below if any of you guys that were like me and you're just trying to decide if you wanted to do it or not. Sorry about the shaking. Yeah, let's smell it. Oh, that smells so
really
good.
Clean. It's really clean smelling.
Yeah.
I
All right,
love this
so
scent.
glass cleaner in lemon. This is, oh no, this is in lemon. It's got shea butter and almond, but it's lemon scented.
It's clean smelling.
Yeah. Okay, so I got that, and then I got the hand soap.
In rainwater.
The hand soap
Let's
and
just
rainwater.
What does rainwater smell like? Worms? That doesn't smell like rainwater, but we'll go with it.
No, but it's a clean scent.
It's a clean scent, yeah, like you just got out of the shower.
Yeah. So that was good. That was one of my free items.
And then she got some Method items. This is for wood floors, squirt and mop.
Almond scented.
Safe surface, non-toxic, plant-based. So this is probably good if you have small children crawling on the floor or pets.
Dogs, yeah.
Ooh, now this smells like cherry.
That smells good.
Almond oil.
That smells really good. Because, I use the, what's the wood floor cleaner?
That's why. The wood floor cleaner.
Yeah, that's, the normal one in the store.
You're so mad.
I don't know.
I don't know.
But anyway, so this is going to make my floor smell good. And it's safe for
She's got tiny grandkids that are still crawling around on floors.
Yes, and now my brother's dog. What else did I get?
That stuff you spray in the shower after every shower, which keeps you from getting
Show them the bottle so they can
which
see.
keeps you from getting that soap scummy buildup.
What scent did I get?
I don't know how.
Oh, here, eucalyptus
Oh,
and mint.
eucalyptus mint.
So it'll make your shower smell clean.
Wow, totally.
Really? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna make your shower smell nice. All
So,
right.
some nice products here.
So far, we still got more coming at you.
Then she's got these 7th gen dishwasher detergent pods.
And again, it's
Fragrance free of fragrance, dyes and chlorine bleach.
right. Okay, and then I got something that I need desperately. I'm gonna open up. It's garbage disposal freshener and cleaner pods, and it's tangerine and lemongrass.
Can I have one of those?
Yes,
Mark's
you can.
Disposal. I was at my son's house today and I kept thinking, what smells in his kitchen? I cleaned the entire kitchen thinking, whatever.
Maybe he
It's
needs
his disposal. It's his disposal. I didn't even know they made these kind of things.
I didn't either when I saw it on there. They have so many items on their website. They also have like makeup and all kinds of stuff, but I'm just kind of going for the.
I might have to start getting this. I love cleaning
I'll
supplies.
give you
have
the, if
so
I give
many
you, if you
cleaning-
use the link that I put below, you'll get like 5 free products. You'll get,
I will do that.
you'll get a couple of these. And before I show you the rest, just really quick, and I don't know how it all works, I'm still new, but they keep your order history, and then you go on there and you say, I want this replaced every 2 months or every 3 months or every month. And then they'll send you an email saying, hey, we're getting ready to ship. Do you need all this stuff? And you say yes or no. You can change the scents. There's so many different scents. I mean, I was really, really impressed. Really impressed with this.
Okay, the next thing is kind of interesting. Laundry detergent packs in lavender and rosemary.
Yeah.
That would be fun. I don't want
It's all,
to open
it's
them
free
because
of, I do, I'm gonna open them. It's free of harsh chemicals. It's beautifully scented with natural fragrances. It's all plant-based.
I'm going to have to do this tomorrow. I would like to get some of this scent, especially for Marcus for those disposal. I don't have
That's
a disposal.
what, it smells pretty good. You can kind of smell it through the plastic.
I can't.
I
Not
can
much.
smell it. So I'm really excited about that. And then we also got, here's some bathroom cleaner.
What
And
is
you
that?
know-
What scent is that?
I got this in
Spearmint.
spearmint.
Oh,
I tried to get
nice.
different scents and everything. But I don't like the smell of tub and tub. Oh, that smells good.
I
Your
think
bathroom would
I think it
smell
smells
good.
like bathroom cleaner.
No, I don't think so at
Yes,
all.
it does.
But you can try a different scent. If
Yeah.
you don't like it, you just try a different scent.
Just don't get that on
So,
the wood.
Anyway, so that's another product. All of these products here that I bought, I don't know the price of everything. I'll list everything below. It was like $50 for the whole box plus the free stuff. So let me quickly go on. And this is tub and tile cleaner. And it's in lavender scent.
Don't open that. Or
Where?
open it not over your clothes or the table in case it drips.
Much better than like
Yeah, they're
Tilex.
trying, but you can still tell it's some kind of cleaner.
Yeah, but it's a nicer scent than your.
Yeah.
the
I don't
harsh
mind
scent.
Tilex. I like that bleach scent. It's clean smelling.
And then I got some toilet cleaner. And it is in, that's in the spearmint thing too. So I won't
Careful
open
with
that.
Yeah.
But you know what I like? I even like the shape of their bottles. It's kind of cool. So
And
I'm
I know
really-
Target sells Method too.
Yeah, and you know what? I did go and look at Target after I ordered this, and they don't have the scents like,
That you can get online.
yeah.
Now,
And
this
then
soap smells really good.
this is cedar and sage
I
bar
can smell
soap.
it from this far away.
And it is made with organic coconut and olive oils. It's the best all natural
This is
ingredients
when you know
want.
the soap is good. When you can rub it on your hands and feel the oil in the bar, you know this is going to make your skin feel great when you lather up.
Yeah, and you don't have, when you order this stuff, you don't have to wait for the month. You can order them anytime you want. So yeah, I'll put the link below. I'm really excited about it. I like the whole reordering process.
These look kind of interesting too. Rooted Beauty Purifying Facial Towelettes with white tea and calendula.
I don't know what that is.
Calendula.
So open up. Let's see what one is.
Well, no, you don't want to open them up because they'll dry out.
Open them up. It's for cleaning your face. So I thought I'd try it. It's
I'm a
all
Noxzema
natural.
girl. I've always used Noxzema, so I don't use these.
You know
but I
what? These are
Cindy
really
does.
good when you go to someone's house and you don't feel like bringing all your cleaning supplies.
Or you don't want to put your mascara on their wash rags.
Yeah.
I would take
How
my
does that
mascara
feel?
off with these.
How does it smell? No.
Not so hot.
No, but you know what? It's all natural, I think,
Yeah.
right? So it's good for your skin. So these are nice too to put when somebody comes to visit or they're sleeping overnight, you know, just to put it out there. So I like that.
And then we have some walnut scouring pads. That's
what
just
does
to
it
get
say
all
on
that.
the back though? It says something, right?
Go nuts over cleaning. This walnut scour scrubs without scratching.
How does it not
So
scratch?
is this for your skin or is this to clean your?
No, it's to clean with. It's to clean with.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna. If it's not gonna
No.
scratch you, it's
Like your
certainly
pots
not.
and
I have
pans
a
and
mosquito
stuff?
bite right there that this feels so good on right now.
Okay, and then I also ordered a walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. And it says, I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch, non-abrasive and perfect use on cookware, glassware,
Oh.
countertops, and appliances. Top rack dishwasher safe. So, that's really cool. And then the last two items that I got, which Debbie wasn't impressed with, I just thought I'd try it. Now, these are paper towels, and it is 100% sustainable bamboo and sugar cane. I thought I'd give it a try. Why not? And then I got the same thing in toilet paper. Just to try it out, see if they're soft, scratchy, or whatever. So, what did you guys think? I mean, do you guys get Grove Collaborative? If you do, let me know what your favorite products are because
Yeah,
I
they sent
really...
a card, and Cindy's dedicated Grove guide. His name is Patrick. And he said, a bit about me. I'm a Bay Area native living in South San Francisco. When I'm not helping Grove customers, I can be found hiking in the Pacifica at a Giants baseball game or at home thinking of new things to cook and bake. Thank you, Patrick.
So, yeah, there's a really good time. They're giving away free stuff, free gifts, and you guys got to check it out if you haven't. So,
Yeah,
All
I'm
right.
gonna do it. So
Yeah.
we'll see what scents I come up with.
but anyway, let me know what your favorite scents are and some of the products for those of you that do it, because I'd really like to know. Because I'm just experimenting right now. So I'll come back at you when, you know, I think we might just do a cleaning video. We'll do a bathroom cleaning video.
My house is cleaner than it's ever been, which is sad to say because I've lived here 24 years. But you know how it is when you're selling your house. It's immaculate 24/7. You're almost neurotic about it because, like, you never know when that phone call's coming in
Yeah,
where they want to
yeah.
see it. So, yeah.
All right, so that was a new little thing for us. Just thought I'd share it with you. I want to pass along the great deals to you. So, and I got this from, it wasn't Georgia Sunshine, it was Jacinta. I forget what her actual channel is. So if you're out there watching, Jacinta, thanks for the lead. All
Thank
right.
you. You guys have a nice night. We'll
All
see you
right,
later.
we'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.